Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Hello friends, thank you for joining us. We will share some of the best small bathroom ideas that will maximize your space. I'm going to show you how I made my small bathroom look like the most beautiful room in the house. It's amazing how much difference some paint, lighting, and accessories can make. These are all things that usually cost next to nothing but will drastically change your space for the better. Keep the bathroom floor clear of clutter. Cleaning the bathroom shouldn't take more energy than required for its entire upkeep. To keep it clean and free of clutter, consider these small bathroom design tips. The floor should be clear at all times. For this reason, try to tuck away or store as much as possible in cabinets or drawers out of sight. A few well-placed hooks will also help ensure items like towels can dry without interfering with your ability to walk around freely. Flatten surfaces where you can. If there are any smooth surfaces that aren't already occupied by an item, think about arranging them into a few neat shelves or mounts for candles and other accessories. Be sure not to block ventilation. Alternatively, if space allows, mount mirrors on the walls, which will make the room seem larger and give it a more open feel. Skip hanging towel bars. Forgo this outdated bathroom design element in favor of wall-mounted hooks or pegs to free up floor space and maintain a cleaner and tidier look. Just be sure that whichever option you choose is durable enough to support regular usage without breaking down. If you're worried about exposed screws ruining the clean lines of your small bathroom design, opt for covers specially designed to fit over them instead. Clean up spills right away. It's much less work than cleaning up after them when they've already dried, so keep a few towels on hand for this purpose at all times. A simple trick is to place one under the sink or on top of the toilet so it's always handy. Don't take up too much space with a shower curtain. They're mostly used to keep water from getting all over the floor, so unless you have a larger bathroom design in mind, opt for a glass door instead. This will instantly improve your small bathroom designs and give them a more updated look as well. If you do need a little extra protection for a standard-sized bathtub, however, consider going with an attractive vinyl curtain that can be wiped down after each use and rolled up out of sight when not needed. Add a rug or mat to make it feel more welcoming. It's okay to have a small bathroom design as long as it still feels comfortable. To achieve the feel of more space, try arranging your room layout so that you always enter from an area close to where you'll be using the toilet or sink. That way, the door will stay open and you won't have to worry about trying to reach across any furniture in order to find something whenever you need it. By making each element easy to access, your small bathroom designs will feel much larger than they are. Make sure lighting is bright enough. Another trick for creating a sense of spaciousness is by brightening up your small bathroom designs with adequate lighting. Place light fixtures high on walls or ceilings for best results, and consider adding several small accent lights to avoid creating shadows. The only way to make your small bathroom design more appealing is by making sure it feels clean, fresh and organized at all times. With the right layout and the appropriate lighting, you can create a room that's perfect for relaxing in. By keeping it clutter-free and tucking away items you don't need every day, this space will feel much larger than it really is. 1. Only use the necessary amount of space. Create a layout that allows you to access everything without needing to walk all around it. This way, no matter where the door is open, you'll be able to find what you need quickly and conveniently. 2. Add style with decorative accessories. Place candles or other small trinkets on ledges or mounts so they don't interfere with your bathroom design's flow or take up too much room in its limited space. 3. Clean spills immediately. Remove any water that gets spilled as soon as possible because leaving them can cause mud and dirt to accumulate around your flooring, which will ruin any bathtub surround paint job if left unkept for too long. 4. Opt for glass doors instead of shower curtains. Shower curtains are great, but they do take up space and need to be cleaned after each use. If you don't want to deal with either of those, choose something else that doesn't require so much work. 5. Add a rug or mat. A simple way to make this area seem bigger is by adding a small rug or mat near the entrance to gather any dirt before it gets tracked all around your small bathroom design's flooring. 6. Use lighting to your advantage. Good lighting can make your small bathroom design appear larger, especially if it's well lit and you aren't trying to save on electricity by using dim lights. By placing bulbs in the right spots, you'll be able to create a spacious feel that doesn't actually take up more room than needed. 7. Keep your space organized at all times. Keeping everything tidy will prevent it from feeling cluttered or messy, which makes this space seem smaller than it might really be. Cleaning regularly will also keep any mold, mildew or other problems at bay so they don't impede on the quality of the air you're breathing inside your small bathroom designs. 8. Only use items you need every day. To keep your small bathroom design looking its best and maximizing the space in a sensible manner, make sure you only place in there what you need each day. If you use something less than that, either store it elsewhere or get rid of it entirely. 9. Go with an attractive vinyl curtain. Vinyl curtains aren't only functional but they're stylish too, which means they won't take away from the room's appearance when hung up. They'll wipe down easily after each use to avoid things like mold from building up around them over time, and also roll back out of sight so they don't have to sit where they're not needed all the time.